Welcome back to the CashWave Strategy Vault. This is video 10 in our 18-part series, and today we're diving into crypto, how to protect it, grow it, and even earn with it. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by the risks or complexity of crypto, you're not alone. I've been there too. But what if I told you there's a system that not only keeps your crypto safe, but also shows you how to earn confidently? It's called the Crypto Flow, and today I'll walk you through how I use Toolkit 5, Crypto Safety Starter Kit, to secure everything and turn crypto into an opportunity instead of a worry. By the end of this video, you'll have the tools and strategies to build your own worry-free crypto flow. Whether you're using crypto as an income stream, planning to invest, or just trying to stay ahead of the game, this video is for you. Crypto made simple. Secure, earn, and thrive. Before we dive into the tools, let's talk about the 3 core programs that built my crypto confidence. These programs are the foundation of my system. 1. Intelligent Crypto VIP. This program taught me how to secure my crypto step by step. From setting up wallets to understanding risks, it left no stone unturned. Clear guidance. Intelligent Crypto VIP provides detailed video walkthroughs for setting up secure wallets like the Ledger Nano X. Confidence in action. I use their approach to move my funds out of exchanges and into a cold wallet, eliminating one of the biggest risks in crypto. 2. VIP Indicator. Bundle. Once your crypto is secure, the next challenge is knowing when to make your moves. The VIP Indicator Bundle acts like a GPS for your trades. Data over emotion. These indicators helped me stick to a plan instead of reacting emotionally to market dips or surges. Real-time guidance. Alerts provide clear buy and sell signals, making it easier to grow your stack confidently. 3. Crypto Commissions Bonus. Crypto isn't just for holding. With crypto commissions, I learned how to earn affiliate payouts directly in crypto. Supplement your income. By promoting programs like Crypto VIP or tools like Ledger, you can build an additional income stream. Payments in crypto. Receiving income in Ethereum or Bitcoin opens doors to long-term growth. While those programs set the foundation, these 4 tools made my system smooth, secure, and scalable. 1. Ledger Nano X, offline protection. Funds stored in an offline wallet are untouchable by hackers. The Ledger Nano X gave me peace of mind that my assets were safe. 2. DeepSeek Research Insights. DeepSeek simplifies research, helping me make data-driven decisions about new coins and staking opportunities. 3. ChatGPT simplifying the process. ChatGPT breaks down complex crypto concepts, from white papers to staking instructions, into simple, actionable steps. 4. Brave Wallet, hot wallet for small transfers. For smaller transactions or staking, the Brave Wallet is lightweight, fast, and secure. When I first started with crypto, I was overwhelmed. I avoided it out of fear of making mistakes. Then I jumped in the wrong way and fell for a scam. I lost funds and it felt like a wake-up call. That's when I realized I needed a system. Intelligent Crypto VIP gave me the guidance I needed to secure my assets. The VIP indicators taught me how to grow my stack without emotional trading, and crypto commissions showed me how to earn with crypto. Today, crypto isn't a source of stress. It's a system I trust. And if I can create clarity and security in my crypto flow, so can you. Here's how others in the CashWave community are finding success with these strategies and tools. Landon F. from Charlotte, North Carolina. Landon said, "Intelligent Crypto VIP helped me understand wallets for the first time. Now I feel safe holding and growing my crypto." Alicia T. from Portland, Oregon. Alicia shared, "The VIP indicator stopped me from panic selling when the market dipped. I've made some of my best trades since Derek M. from Austin, Texas." Derek said, "Using ChatGPT, I simplified the crypto onboarding process. It saved me so much frustration and keeps me on track." What's been your biggest obstacle or strength with crypto? Comment below. I want to hear your experiences. Have you started earning, securing, learning? Every step is worth celebrating. If you're ready to map out your crypto system and take control, I've got everything you need in Toolkit 5, Crypto Safety Starter Kit. It's free to download, and all the tools, guides, and bonuses are linked below. Some of these offers are limited, so don't wait. Next up, we're going hands-on. I'll walk you through securing wallets, researching coins, and running quick transactions in real time. You're not going to want to miss this one.